If you've joined the Millionaire Partner System or are thinking about it, success is not just about signing up. It's about how you use the tools and support it gives you. Start by engaging actively in the community. Inside the program, you'll find like-minded entrepreneurs. By taking part in discussions, asking questions, and sharing your own experiences, you open doors to ideas and collaborations you wouldn't find alone. Next, follow the training modules carefully. They're laid out step by step to take you from beginner to confident entrepreneur. Skipping steps or rushing will only slow you down. Steady progress brings real results. Then, take advantage of mentorship. One-on-one guidance can save you months of trial and error. A mentor's feedback can help you spot opportunities and avoid mistakes early. Finally, stay consistent and persistent. Treat your business like a long-term project, not a quick win. Apply the strategies regularly, stay focused on your goals, and watch your efforts compound over time. By combining community training, mentorship, and consistency, you'll unlock the full power of the Millionaire Partner System. If you're ready to put this in action, click my link below and sign up today to start building real lasting success.